Starting around 13 September 2023, torrential slide in every practical sense is exchanging at $9.23 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.25%. In sort of most recent 1 hour in a significant manner, Avax explicitly has an exceptionally complete market cap of $3,266,287,443, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $115,654,454 in an unobtrusive manner. This really makes torrential slide Avax in every practical sense, positioning at 21 in the digital money market in a very huge manner. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2023, what will torrential slide for the most part be genuinely worth in 2023? Is torrential slide an especially wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in a genuinely significant manner? Will Avax cost in a real sense outperform its unequaled high in a truly significant manner? These generally are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future, or so they explicitly thought. Torrential slide Avax value expectation 2023. As per the torrential slide conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Avax cost essentially is supposed to fundamentally cross a sort of normal value level of $14.49, the normal pretty least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the essentially current year, ought to in a real sense be $13.85, or so they truly thought. Besides, Avax can especially arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $16.26, by and large further appearance. How might Avax cost fundamentally outperform its unsurpassed high, which generally is very huge? Avax value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of torrential slide is estimated to basically be at around a for the most part least worth of $12.11 in an unobtrusive manner. The torrential slide value worth can in a real sense arrive at a limit of $13.77, with the in every way that really matters normal exchanging worth of $13.39 in United States dollars, which truly is very huge. Torrential slide Avax value estimate September 2023. The torrential slide Avax cost for September 2023 may generally arrive at an in every way that really matters least worth of $13.14. While the all things considered, greatest gauge cost for the most part is around $14.30 in an unobtrusive manner. The typical cost for Avax really is especially anticipated to generally reach $13.65 in September 2023. So starting around 13 September 2023, torrential slide sort of is exchanging at $9.23 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.25% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Torrential slide value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of torrential slide generally is supposed to especially be at around a really least of $13.29. So torrential slide Avax value figure September 2023. The torrential slide Avax cost for September 2023 may explicitly arrive at an essentially least worth of $13.14, while the truly greatest gauge value sort of is around $14.30 in a very huge manner. Torrential slide cost can truly arrive at a really limit of $14.85, with the kind of typical cost of $13.93 in United States dollars, which generally is genuinely critical. Torrential slide value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the very greatest cost for torrential slide could sort of stretch around $15.55, which basically is genuinely critical. Besides, the minimum cost of Avax in November 2023 in every practical sense is $13.57, with a kind of typical cost of $14.20, or so they in a real sense thought. Torrential slide value expectation December 2023. Torrential slide cost essentially is supposed to reach between $13.85 to $16.26 in December 2023, while the exceptionally normal cost of Avax for the December in every practical sense stays around $14.49. Torrential slide especially past value examination and the vary beyond 24 hours. The crypto fundamentally has been explicitly diminished by 1.65% in its for the most part current worth and in every practical sense, significant way. Assuming that we most certainly look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down in a quite large manner. Torrential Slide basically is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with exceptionally other crypto coins, exhibiting how assuming that we for the most part look at the fundamentally current market cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap is likewise down in a quite enormous manner. The Avax sort of is down to nearly 6.87% in the very most recent 7 days, or so they certainly thought. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections 4 in every practical sense, past truly couple of days. The coin could explicitly have areas of strength for truly yet. We don't fundamentally feel that it would a productive resource in essentially present moment. So starting around 13 September 2023 Torrential Slide generally is exchanging at $9.23 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.25% in absolute most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Avax explicitly diminished by 56.536%, disposing of an incredible by and large normal amount of $12.01 from its kind of current worth, which truly is genuinely huge. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be an especially decent truly purchase a valuable open door for genuinely speedy interest in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 48.11%, and the cost for the most part flowed from an in every practical sense least genuinely normal cost of $16.54 to greatest certainly normal cost of $18.27 in the kind of beyond 90 days, which sort of is genuinely critical. Torrential Slide in every practical sense is somewhere near 23.58%, with the fundamentally greatest especially normal cost of the coin most certainly was around $11.78, and the genuinely least exceptionally normal cost of in a real sense was around $11.56 in essentially beyond 4 months, which truly is genuinely huge. Torrential Slide Value Estimate 2023 Facts. What will be Torrential Slide really worth in 2023 in a significant manner? The Avax cost truly is estimated to in every practical sense arrive at a kind of greatest degree of $16.26, with truly least cost of $13.85 toward the finish of 2023. Exceptionally further appearance how Torrential Slide Value Conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the kind of most extreme cost for Torrential Slide could especially stretch around $15.55 in an especially huge manner. Torrential Slides explicitly have a future in an unpretentious manner. As far as value, Torrential Slide generally has a remarkable for the most part potential to arrive at new levels, showing how might Avax cost really outperform its unequaled fundamentally high in a quite huge manner. It in every practical sense is gauge that Avax